I'm gonna use my oar and hit him. I'm gonna use my oar and hit him. Because no one believes in me that I see dodo birds. No one believes me. My bird. I'm gonna get him. Almost there. Almost there. Oh crap. He's sending in his friends. Oh, look at this one. It's the only one that can fly in the world. This one can't. I gotta get him. Oh no, 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 no. There goes my dreams.